today's vlog. Today we'll be working on a Mini. This is going to be like the side project. It's a 1983. Show you guys it. Being resprayed. So at the moment, busy with the engine. Got to clean the engine up, get the block, everything cleaned up, wire wheeled, and then gonna be spraying it with the engine enamel, just the normal black spray. Okay, engine is all thinned up, nice and clean. So now we can just apply the first coat there. Okay, just a quick little update video here. Put some of the accessories on the engine here. Got the alternator mounted, most of the pulleys. Now I just need to head over to the shop. I need what I need. Oh, I need engine mounting bolts. Got the engine mounts right over here, nicely sprayed. So I think this engine mount sits like this. So one of the bolts snapped. I need to just get one of these bolts, and then where's the exhaust? Very funny design here with the carburetor stuck on the exhaust as well. So this bad boy mounts like that, but I need to go get studs and bolts as well. So I need to get a list going here so I can get everything one time. Okay, so engine all set up, got it up on the engine side over here, all the way there, and then yeah, time to put this bad boy in there. So the Mini is not going to start, but we're going to start something else today. So everything is done. Just gotta get a mounting for over here, and then I still need to get these bolts, tie those up, fill it up with oil, and then put the engine mounting in, and then it should be all good. Also got to connect the fuel system here, but that will be on the next video. This one should start then. So this is the next project. Gonna slap the forward Sierra here. This car hasn't started in
too damn long.
Yeah. I think it's probably like 3 years, eh? This thing, let me just quickly, gonna have to check the oil here. Oh, it's that side.
I wonder how much boost these things can handle, dude.
All I know is like the what's it, between the conrods there.
What, a weak point or?
Yeah, that's the weak point. So oil is, it's still holding well, so that's good.
That's alright.
That's good. Is this thing a mission to get in?
Oh wait, there you got it.
Yeah. No, let's get it.
Finally.
Yeah.
Alright.
Okay, let's see.
Let's crack this old soul, this fossil. Let's crack this fossil up, man.
I don't think, eh? I don't know.
Let's see.
We have fans there. Which one is that now?
Oh yeah, the fans, yep.